Hey, Algebra 1. I'm making this video in response to a question one of you guys asked me. In the homework, they have different letters. So what are we going to do with the different letters? So the first one I have here is 5x plus 15y. And I'm going to ask you to factor out what's in common. So for this one, we first look at the constants. So the constants are 5, that goes on the outside. And then we'll look at the variables. Now the issue is this variable's x and this variable's y. Because they're two different letters, they are not in common. So since they're not in common, we can't say they're in common, so they're not going to be on the outside of the parenthesis. Now I divide what's in common, which is simply 5 in this case. So 5 divided by 5 is 1, and you're left over with x. And then 15 divided by 5, I should say 15y divided by 5. 15 divided by 5 is 3. The y stays the same. So your answer for this type of question will be something like this. This one, I don't know if there's an exact type of question like this, but it's still good to practice. We have two variables going at the same time. Again, all we factor out is in common. So first, let's look at the normal numbers, or the constants. So that's 12 and 9. What is in common between them is 3. Let me write this a little lower. So this is 3. Second one, x squared, x. What's in common? Oh, there we go. What is in common between x squared and x? Well, there's two x's here. There's one x is here. Two x's on the left, one x is on the right. They have in common only one x. So it's just x. And then here, one y here and 3 y's here. What they have in common? 1 and then 3. Only one y in common. So we're going to put a y for the common here. Let's start our parenthesis. So now I'm going to divide both of these from 3xy. Well, 12 divided by 3 is 4. X squared divided by x, you subtract the exponent. So 2 minus 1 is just x. And then 1 over 1 is the exact same thing, so you don't need to write that. Plus, I'm also going to divide 3xy here. 9 divided by 3 is 3. X divided by x is the exact same thing, so it's 1. I don't have to write that. Y to the third divided by y is y to the second. At that point, you're done with this one. Okay? I hope this clears up some confusion on the homework. And have a wonderful day.